Welcome to in this new module, user ACL. So in this module, we will learn, first we will get the overview that what we are going to achieve in this module. So we will create a user ACL and what type of ACL that we are going to create. Let's have a overlook, and I am in the terminal. So I will jump to my source. So cd XAMPP htdocs, and the original application is microstash, and we have to run cd XAMPP htdocs microstash. Okay, and let's run the source php artisan serve, and let's run our mysql server. So SQL server is running. Minimize it, and let's run our HDSQL. So HD is also running. Okay, let minimize. Let's shift to our browser, refresh. So log in to our original application. So in the original application, we have a tag, button, user link, which is a user. So super admin can create, here is a super admin is logged in, and this admin can create a user in this application. And it also, this super admin can also delegate rights to its user. Suppose the user is here manager and is the member. So the manager has a different roles, and the member has a different role. If we go to add it, so we will see, we will create the users and we will delegate the rights. If I go to user, um, suppose should go to create a new user. So all the data will be given, and here we do have to set the role of the user. If it is an admin, and we have to define the status active or deactive. So if I change to manager, see we have an AJAX request. This AJAX request, when we select the manager, it select all, fetch all the companies and its categories or departments. So we can give the roles to this manager, this company, and also we can delegate the rights to this manager, also the Afan tag company, and we can also give the departments to this user. So we can give a single department, or you can give a multiple department. Okay, you can also assign multiple companies to this user. So if I change to a member, see the checkbox is now replaced with the ready button. So user can only, we can only delegate one category, or can delegate multiple company, but in a company we will only give this member user one department. So okay, and it is a AJAX request. When we select on admin, so it will remove it. And when we select a manager, so see we have on the right, and we will submit this form. The user, we can delegate the rights, and we can create the super admin can create a number of user as much as the user super admin wants. So all back to this index page, and we are in a user index. So this is the overview of the user ACL that we will going to build in this application. Okay, and in next video we will start our coding. Stay tuned.